Namaskar, Deviyo or Sajjano, ladies and gentlemen. Hello, everyone tuned in to this program by artistic professionals, hosted by Vineet Dev and Smruti Poddar. I'm your host, Dr. Kiran Kharath, and it's my great pleasure to have all of you who have joined in to take you on a musical journey with two talented singers. Dr. Meena is my wife, and she is a primary eye care doctor and a contact lens and myopia control specialist working in Pune. Mr. Vijay Bendre also hails from Pune. He is a commerce graduate and a self-employed businessman in graphics and printing, design, and a passionate singer who has trained under Pandit Sanjeev Shende. He has won many awards and loves to sing Kishore Kumar songs. As you know, this forum is only for people who love singing as a hobby and they are not professional singers. So let us see what they have in store for us. I welcome Dr. Meena for the first song. Let's imagine the year 1992 when Chennai was known as Madras and Manmohan Singh was our Prime Minister. At that time, Mani Ratnam chose Dilip Kumar for his music when he used to have Ilayaraja all the time. More than 25 years have passed, and then we have A.R. Rahman, who has changed his name, and Roja was listed in the Times magazine as the best soundtrack of all time. Let us hear Meena sing Dil Hai Chhota Sa. It was sung by Minmini, and the movie is Roja.
मस्ती भर मन की भोली सी आशा चांद तारों को छूने की आशा आसमानों में उड़ने की आशा दिल है छोटा सा छोटी सी आशा मस्ती भर मन की भोली सी आशा चांद तारों छूने की आशा आसमानों में उड़ने की आशा दिल है छोटा सा छोटी सी आशा मस्ती भर मन की भोली सी आशा, चांद तारों को छूने की आशा, आसमानों में उड़ने की आशा। दिल है छोटा सा, छोटी सी आशा, मस्ती भर मन की भोली सी आशा। थैंक यू।
Thank you very much. That was wonderful. It now gives me great pleasure to invite Mr. Vijay Bendre for this duet from a movie called Dilli Ka Thug. Majruh wrote the song and Ravi composed it. It's a lilting waltz beat and Kishore enjoyed singing this. He exuded happiness and joy, and Nutan was a picture of grace and beauty, enjoying the moment. It will always be an eternal romantic number for times to come. Ye Raatein, Ye Mausam from Dilli Ka Thug. Vijay and Meena.
ये रातें, ये मौसम, नदी का किनारा, ये चंचल हवा, ये रातें, ये मौसम, नदी का किनारा, ये चंचल हवा।
कहा दो दिलों ने कि मिलकर कभी हम न होंगे जुदा।
ये रातें, ये मौसम, नदी का किनारा, ये चंचल हवा।
ये क्या बात है आज की चांदनी में, ये क्या बात है आज की चांदनी में, कि हम खो गए प्यार की रागनी में।
ये बाहों में बाहें, ये बहकी निगाहें, लो आने लगा जिंदगी का मजा। ये रातें, ये मौसम, नदी का किनारा, ये चंचल हवा। सितारों की महफिल में करके इशारा, सितारों की महफिल में करके इशारा, कहाँ अब तो सारा जहाँ है तुम्हारा।
मोहब्बत जवा हो, खुला आसमां हो, करे कोई दिल आरज़ू और क्या।
ये रातें, ये मौसम, नदी का किनारा, ये चंचल हवा।
कसम है तुम्हें तुम अगर मुझसे रूठे, कसम है तुम्हें तुम अगर मुझसे रूठे।
रहे सांस जब तक ये बंधन न टूटे,
तुम्हें दिल दिया है, ये वादा किया है, सनम मैं तुम्हारी रहूंगी सदा।
ये रातें, ये मौसम, नदी का किनारा, ये चंचल हवा। कहाँ दो दिलों ने कि मिलकर कभी हम न होंगे जुदा। Thank you.
यू.
Thank you. That was wonderful. I now welcome Meena for her solo. This is from the movie Rajinigandah. Vidya Sinha and her printed saris, her long choti and ruffled hair, emoting the dilemma through her eyes and smile as the movie unfurls like a rose. It's a postcard from an urban India of the 70s with all its, vagaries of that time. It asked a question to us: can a heart be in love with two people at the same time? Basu Chatterjee had a fragrant touch whose aroma still lingers in our hearts and mind. I welcome Meena to sing the title song, Rajinigandah.
थैंक यू।
Thank you, that was beautiful. Now, the next song is an eternal duet with a signature of its own. The first few beats of music, and everyone knows what is next. Manik Chatterjee tackled a difficult subject of rape in this 1978 movie called Ghar. Gulzar's poetry, R.D. Burman's composition. The song is based on Rag Kedar, named after Lord Shiva, from the Kalyan That. It has complex turns which are melodious and is bound to a typical R.D. tune with the keherwa as the tal. He has used so many instruments like the idiophone, the guitar, sitar, violin and tabla, and this magical weaving creates a beautiful tune. Aapki aankhon mein kuch, the movie Ghar. I invite Meena and Vijay. Thank you.
आपकी आँखों में कुछ महके हुए से राज है। आपकी आँखों में कुछ महके हुए से राज है। आपसे भी खूबसूरत आपके अंदाज है। आपकी आँखों में कुछ महके हुए से राज है। लब हिले तो मोगरे के फूल खिलते हैं कहीं। लब हिले तो मोगरे के फूल खिलते हैं कहीं। आपकी आँखों में क्या साहिल भी मिलते हैं कहीं। आपकी खामोशियाँ भी आपकी आवाज़ है।
आपकी आँखों में कुछ महके हुए से राज है। आपसे भी खूबसूरत आपके अंदाज है। आपकी आँखों में कुछ महके हुए से राज है।
was really wonderful and great justice to this beautiful tune. Let us now go to Calcutta and the iconic Howrah Bridge. Shakti Samanta roped in O.P. Nayyar for this typical music, and he had two lyricists, Kamar Jalalabadi and Hasrat Jaipuri. This was picturized on the divine Madhubala and the debonair Ashok Kumar. Shakti Samanta wrote this while he was in hospital recovering from an accident. And when he discharged himself, he met Ashok Kumar and told him about this story. And they managed to convince Madhubala to act in this movie. She dropped her fees from 2 lakhs to 1.25 rupees. And that movie went on to cross 1.1 crore in that time. Helen was in that movie and she was 19 years old only and had a famous song too. So let us see how she makes one man jealous and one man she tries to woo. Aiye meherban, baithiye jaane jaan. I welcome Meena to sing this song from Howrah Bridge. Thank you very much, Meena. That was beautiful. You recreated that era through your voice and did justice to the song. The next song reminds us of the dark days of emergency. The year was 1975, and Gulzar created this movie based on a political drama where Suchitra Sen was the lead character, and her hairstyle, it mimicked Indira Gandhi at that time. The movie was banned on release, and Gulzar was in Moscow at the time. The Janata Party released the movie in 1977, and then it became a cult classic. This song has many stalwarts playing in the background. Hari Prasad Chaurasia on flute, Zareen Daruwala on sarod, and sitar was by Jairam Acharya. It's an iconic song. Tum aa gaye ho, Noor aa gaya hai. I welcome Meena and Vijay for this duet. Thank you.
तुम आ गए हो, नूर आ गया है। तुम आ गए हो, नूर आ गया है। नहीं तो चरागों से लौ जा रही थी।
जीने की तुमसे वजह मिल गई है, बड़ी बेवजह जिंदगी जा रही थी।
तुम आ गए हो, नूर आ गया है। कहाँ से चले कहाँ के लिए ये खबर नहीं थी, मगर कोई भी सिरा जहाँ जा मिला वही तुम मिलोगे। ओ कहाँ से चले कहाँ के लिए ये खबर नहीं थी, मगर कोई भी सिरा जहाँ जा मिला वही तुम मिलोगे। कि हम तक तुम्हारी दुआ आ रही थी। तुम आ गए हो, नूर आ गया है।
नहीं तो चरागों से लौ जा रही थी। तुम आ गए हो, नूर आ
सो मच.
Thank you very much, Vijay and Meena. That was a beautiful exposition and superb rendition. We now travel to 1956 when Shama danced in her own way in a black and white movie. Geeta Dutt sang for A. Darshan in this movie called Bhai Bhai. Rajendra Kishan wrote the lyrics, which conveys about the effect her lover has on her as she knows that she has indeed fallen in love. But she asks her heart, who is the person she has fallen in love with? As she finishes the song, she twirls in her thoughts and bumps into Ashok Kumar, who's standing there in a pensive mood. I invite Meena to take us there. ए दिल मुझे बता दे तू किस पे आ गया है, from the movie Bhai Bhai.
आ धीरे से एक नगमा कोई सुना गया है, वो कौन है जो आकर ख्वाबों पे छा गया है। ऐ दिल मुझे बता दे तू किस पे आ गया है, वो कौन है जो आकर ख्वाबों पे छा गया है। Thank you.
बहुत खूब मीना, that was a great evocation of that mood of that time. We now go to 1942, love in the time of revolution. Mukul Dutt wrote the words and R.D. composed a memorable tune evoking mountains and rain. Kumar Sanu and Kavita Krishnamurthy sang for the movie. Vidhu Vinod Chopra stuck with R.D. Burman even when HMV refused to pay him the money, because that was the era of Bappida, Lakshmikant Pyarelal and Anand Milind. The music was so good, it won 9 awards at the 40th Filmfare, and the 90s generation realized the genius of Panchamda. Sadly, he left the world in January and he could not see the success of the movie, which was released in July. I invite Meena and Vijay to sing Rim Jhim, Runjhun, Runjhun from 1942, A Love Story. Thank you.
बजता है जल तरंग टीन की छत पे जब मोतियों जैसा जल बरसे।
बूंदों की ये झड़ी लाई है वो घड़ी जिसके लिए हम तरसे।
ओ बजता है जल तरंग टीन की छत पे जब मोतियों जैसा जल बरसे।
बूंदों की ये झड़ी लाई है वो घड़ी जिसके लिए हम तरसे।
रिम झिम रुम झुम भीगी भीगी रुत में तुम हम तुम।
ओ चलते हैं चलते हैं। बादल की चादरें ओढ़े है वादियाँ सारी दिशाएं सोई है।
सपनों के गाँव में भीगी सी छाँव में दो आत्माएं खोई है।
ओ बादल की चादरें ओढ़े है वादियाँ सारी दिशाएं सोई है।
सपनों के गाँव में भीगी सी छाँव में दो आत्माएं खोई है।
रिमझिम राह धुआ धुआ जाएंगे हम कहाँ, आओ यहीं रह जाए।
ओ आई है देखने झीलों की आईने, बालों को खोले घटाए।
राह धुआ धुआ जाएंगे हम कहाँ, आओ यहीं रह जाए।
रिमझिम रिमझिम
रिमझिम
रुमझुम रुमझुम,
रिमझिम,
भीगी भीगी रुत में
हे हे,
तुम हम तुम।
ओ चलते चलते हैं। रिमझिम रिमझिम
रिमझिम रिमझिम
रुमझुम रुमझुम,
रुमझुम रुमझुम,
भीगी भीगी रुत में
भीगी भीगी रुत में
तुम हम तुम
वो
चलते चलते हैं। थैंक यू।
वाह, बहुत खूब. Both of you evoked the mountains and the rain. Let us go to the 1970s, a movie which broke many records. People camped overnight in the cinema hall grounds to get their tickets. It was made on a budget of 10 million, but it grossed 170 million and broke all records, even in Russia. It's a dreamy song sung by Lata Mangeshkar. It's filmed beautifully on Rakhi, Amitabh and Vinod Khanna. And I invite Meena to sing this song, Dil To Hai Dil, from Muqaddar Ka Sikandar, a 1978 movie. Meena.
दिल तो है दिल, दिल का एतबार क्या कीजिए।
Thank you, Meena. That was a wonderful song sung with feeling. We remain in the 70s. Ramesh Sippy took the help of Salim Javed and they remade a Tamil movie and it became a cult classic. It cost 40 lakhs to make and it earned 3.5 crore, a huge sum at that time. Hema Malini was a third choice because they first thought of Mumtaz and even Nutan, but for some reason it didn't happen and Hema landed the role. The song is memorable even today because of the stunning cinematography by P. Vaikunt. R.D. Burman was at his magical best and Kishore and Asha really belted it out. They enjoyed singing it and we will now hear the version of Vijay and Meena, Hawa ke saath saath, Ghata ke sang sang, from Sita aur Geeta. Thank you.
हवा के साथ साथ घटा के संग संग,
संभलना
हवा के साथ साथ घटा के संग संग, ओ साथी चल
मुझे लेके साथ चल तू, यूं ही दिन रात चल तू, संभल मेरे साथ चल तू, ले हाथों में हाथ चल तू, ओ साथी चल
मुझे लेके साथ चल तू, यूं ही दिन रात चल तू, संभल मेरे साथ चल तू, ले हाथों में हाथ चल तू, ओ साथी चल। एक तो ये मौसम है बड़ा सुहाना, ला 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 ला,
ला ला ला।
एक तो ये मौसम है बड़ा सुहाना, उस पे अपना दिल भी है दीवाना।
ओ पर्वत से आके ना टकरा जाना, तू बन के बादल, ओ साथी चल
मुझे लेके साथ चल तू, यूं ही दिन रात चल तू, संभल मेरे साथ चल तू, ले हाथों में हाथ चल तू, ओ साथी चल।
हंसती है ये दुनिया तो हंसने दे, ला 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 ला।
ला 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 ला।
हंसती है ये दुनिया तो हंसने दे, और नागिन बन के सिरत को डसने दे।
ओ मुझको अपनी आंखों में बसने दे, तू बन के काजल, ओ साथी चल
मुझे लेके साथ चल तू, यूं ही दिन रात चल तू, संभल मेरे साथ चल तू, ले हाथों में हाथ चल तू, ओ साथी चल।
अपनी रेशमी जुल्फे लहराने दे, ला 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 ला।
ला ला ला।
अपनी रेशमी जुल्फे लहराने दे,
बाबा
मुझको अपनी बाहों में हो साथी चल
ला 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 ला
ला ला ला ला ला ला ला
ला ला ला ला ला ला
ला ला ला ला ला ला ला ला हे 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 हो हो हे हे हो हो हे हे हो हो हे हे हो हो
Thank you.
बहुत खूब, बड़ा मस्ती में गाया आप दोनों ने. We now go to the 90s, a time when bold topics were addressed. Mahesh Bhatt directed Ajay Devgan in the movie called Zakhn. It won him the National Award. It was set in a time of religious riots when a son deals with his mother's life-threatening injuries and her dying wish. M.M. Keeravani created a beautiful melody out of the lyrics of Anand Bakshi. Alka Yagnik sang beautifully with a lot of emotional depth, and the words convey a loss and a love which is hopeless but not without expectations. I remember Meena sang the song in the UK, and since then it has become a sort of a signature song for her. It probably sowed the seed of singing, and here we are, thanks to apps like Star Maker and friends like Vijay Bendre and a platform like this. I welcome Meena to sing Gali Mein Aaj Chand Nikla, Zakhn.
गली में आ चांद निकला, गली में आ चांद निकला, जाने कितने दिनों के बाद गली में आ चांद निकला। Thank you.
Thank you, Meena. Sung beautifully. We head back to the 70s, and this song highlights the power of music. R.D. Burman single-handedly carried this movie because, to be frank, the story was very poor, the plot was not great, and even the lead pair was not matched. Well, who cares? Because the music made one ignore all these facts. Kader Khan started his career in this movie for a sum of 1,500 rupees. Let's enjoy the magic of this beautiful duet by Meena and Vijay, originally sung by Kishore Kumar and Asha Bhosle. Jaane Ja, from the movie Jawani Diwani. Thank you.
जाने जा ढूंढता फिर रहा हूँ तुम्हें रात दिन, मैं यहाँ से वहाँ। जाने जा ढूंढता फिर रहा हूँ तुम्हें रात दिन, मैं यहाँ से वहाँ। मुझको आवाज दो, चुप गए हो सनम, तुम कहाँ, तुम कहाँ। जाने जा ढूंढता फिर रहा हूँ तुम्हें रात दिन, मैं यहाँ से वहाँ। ओ मेरे हमसफर, पता ना चला, पास हो तुम खड़े मेरे दिल में छुपे, और मुझे कुछ पता ना चला।
देखा सारा जहां, तुम कहाँ,
मैं यहाँ,
तुम कहाँ,
मैं यहाँ जाने जा ढूंढता फिर रहा हूँ तुम्हें रात दिन, मैं यहाँ से वहाँ।
मुझको आवाज दो, छुप गए हो सनम, तुम कहाँ,
मैं यहाँ,
तुम कहाँ।
मैं यहाँ। Yes, thank you, thank you.
Excellent singing, Meena and Vijay. Both of you rocked. We now go to a 1974 movie Shammi Kapoor directed. It was a radical movie at that time because it was a movie which did not moralize about sex. It did not do well at the box office, but later on it became a cult classic. It was based on a Billy Wilder Hollywood movie, and Zeenat Aman lived the role of a wild and free, happy heroine with no hyper masculine hero, no heavy moral lectures, or any melodrama. If a song can be beautiful and sensuous, but not vulgar, then this is the song. Asha Bhosle got the emotion just right, and Zeenat enacted it beautifully on the screen. RD's composition is mind blowing. Let us hear Meena sing Chori Chori Sola Singar from the movie Manoranjan. Thank you very much, Meena. That song and the feeling, you managed to get it very well. We come to the last song of this program. Nazir Hussain teamed up with Salim Javed and worked on a lost and found story. This movie started the concept of remakes, and it also helped coin a new term called a masala movie. It meant no logic, but plenty of romance, action, thriller, revenge, and overboard dialogues and acting. Mix some good music and we have a blockbuster. A teenage Neetu Singh danced with great energy in this song, and if you remember, Amir Khan was only 8 years old when he played the role of the young kid. Zeenat Aman made the red dress famous in this movie, and we all remember the bad wigs, the thick glasses, the goggles, the cowboy hats, and the crazy facial expressions of the actors, but the music took the cake. It was a rocking track, and each and every song was fantastic. Even the title song sung by Lata Mangeshkar, and the chorus was by Padmini Kolhapure and her sister Shivangi and also Jatin Lalit. So I welcome Meena and Vijay for the penultimate song, Lekar Hum Deewana Dil from Yadon Ki Barat.
लेकर हम दीवाना दिल फिरते हैं मंजिल मंजिल
लेकर हम दीवाने फिरते हैं मंजिल मंजिल।
कहीं तो प्यारे किसी किनारे मिल जाओ तुम अंधेरे उजाले तरफम लेकर हम दीवाना दिल फिरते हैं मंजिल मंजिल
जिस गली के तुम उस गली के हम परी मजबूरियाँ।
तुम यहीं कहीं हम यहीं कहीं फिर भी ये दूरियां
सारी दुनिया दुनिया तेरे चलते है निराल। हाँ, लेकर हम दीवाना दिल फिरते हैं मंजिल मंजिल।
कहीं तो प्यारे किसी किनारे मिल जाओ तुम अंधेरे उजाले तरफम लेकर हम दीवाना दिल फिरते हैं मंजिल मंजिल तू कहीं रहे यूं लगे मुझे मेरे दिल के पास है यहाँ
मांग तेरी खैर हाँ तेरे बगैर दिल मेरा उदास है।
आजा 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 हमको सीने से लगा ले लेकर हम दीवाना दिल फिरते हैं मंजिल मंजिल
कहीं तो प्यारे किसी किनारे मिल जाओ तुम अंधेरे उजाले।
तरफम लेकर हम दीवाना दिल
much.
Thank you very much.
Thank you for giving us this platform.
Yeah.
Thanks to Smriti and
And Vinit Dev, sir. Yeah.
Thank you. And thank you, Kiran, for lovely comparing.
Thank you, doctor.
I thank Meena and Vijay for their fantastic singing and taking all of us on a beautiful musical journey over the decades. We must thank all the people who made this possible, and live streaming was done at Harmony Studios, and I thank Jitendra Ji Petkar, camera Vikram, sound mixing by Mayur, and of course, thanks to FB Live for giving a chance for professionals to sing when singing is not their actual profession. So, I thank Smriti Poddar and Vinit Dev. I am Dr. Kiran Kharath and I take your leave. Stay musical, stay fit, stay blessed, stay happy. Thank you.